Accused dam thief shot after allegedly attacking cops with machete. Alligator Pond resident found dead in river days after issuing warning about its hazard. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 38-year-old man who police reportedly caught stealing yam was shot and injured when he attacked one of the officers with a machete. More details to come following further investigations. Police in Manchester are probing the death of a man who residents suspect drowned in a section of a river in Alligator Pond over the weekend. The man, who has been identified as Wayne Watson, 34, spoke with the news media last week following a suspected case of drowning in Alligator Pond. Residents told the news team that Watson was last seen on Friday afternoon leaving a construction site to swim in a section of the community known as Backadere in Compound. His family raised an alarm after he did not return home. A search was then conducted of the area. His body was found in the river's mangrove on Sunday afternoon.